Welcome. I know we have unemployment claims today. That's later on today, so we might still be looking for something. And we have a couple minutes left till London Open. And what I think they're doing with price is they're pushing it up from London Open to start selling. That's what I'm having in mind right now. Because now it's sort of retesting a zone. I would like to see this candle close weak bullish. It's 5 minute candle. Let's go. I guess here we come into that previous zone. If you look on the 1 hour time frame, it's just the previous zone we tapped into. But the only thing that's keeping me away right now is that 1 hour is about to close. And I'd rather wait for that 1 hour closure. I think we can at least pull back to 79.03. And then continue moving further down. Because in the 5 minute it looks pretty good. But I'm gonna wait for a 1 hour candle closure before I'm gonna do something. Because for me, I am seeing right now, even though we're tapping away from this order block, is that we did break these lows right here still. And to be fair, we draw the line from here to here, we're coming up to a pretty important zone. We have taps right here, breakthrough right here, taps right here, respect right here, breakout, right? Tap into order block, move up, and maybe continuation further down soon towards that 71 right here. This area, at least, in between this box. So now I'm thinking. And the reason why we might maybe see price pulling up like this is because they're pushing price up for London Open from this zone towards the top zone to get a better entry price for them. TzRzetHz. So yeah. I don't know, a lot of people are bullish right now. Here, especially when this 1 hour candle close bullish. If this 1 hour closes and decides to start making a top weight, I think it will be pretty good. Or even close without a top weight. It would be better. Good morning. Bye gold. Big buys. Agree with looks idea on gold. Perfect. Still holding yesterday's sell. Nope. So yeah, let's see. This candle is engulfing and it's going towards these levels right here. So see, disrespecting any form. I'm gonna be looking to start selling. I understand a lot of people are looking for buys, but we're tracing 50% into this 4 hour candle. Back in towards this zone. 82.5 is the actual zone, but in the lower time frames you already see that we're tapping into the zone, so maybe a little higher. 81.8, 81.9 would even be more perfect if we tap into there. I don't mind this candle going up, just go up. The only thing I'm bothered about is this 2 hour engulfment, but it's also on the lower time frames a retest. If you look on the 1 hour, it's actually pretty nice. And I wonder if this kind of closes like this, like this, and it makes a top wick. Oh shit! My ass gonna be selling right away. Because it doesn't make sense for them to push price up right now, right? For me. Because they still need to get in. People in London, they're coming in 3 minutes. They're all coming into the office, running to the seats, right? To get the best spot possible. And that's showing right now. It's showing them the best spot. I'm waiting 2 minutes. I don't give a shit what happens in these 2 minutes. Even if it dumps, if I'm not in it, I don't mind waiting for 1 hour candle closure. 1 minute and 45 seconds left. Yes, Big Mac. I know a lot of people are in buys right now. Buys. And there were buy opportunities for sure at this 5 minute candle. Once this 5 minute candle closed bullish and these ones started to get weak. This one broke first, respected the low and then broke the high. Obviously very nice entries. I missed this one. Just missed it. But overall it was pretty good if you took that. 1 hour retracing 50% fib. Yeah. I don't care if it goes higher up to 83 or whatever. I'll wait and see. Because we can still actually pull further up towards 85 before selling. That's what I see here. So in 30-minute, 84.3. It's gonna be like what? Yeah, around 70%. From here, it's gonna be 61.8. And the candle's closing a little bit too strong right now, in my opinion. So I'm gonna wait for 5-minute structure to form, or this candle to close really without a top wick, like this. But I do want it to make a top wick first, otherwise I'm not gonna get in sales. Start making a top wick, and then first 5 minutes is also bullshit, guys, so please be careful with that. This is what I want to see. Good. First couple minutes, guys, be careful. Be careful, be careful, be careful. It's also better to wait maybe for this 5 minute or whatever. Or wait for the break of the low. There we go. There we go. I'll take a look in a minute, Jerry. Look, it's busy right now, and that, you know it. And I don't know if it's gonna go the right way because it should be dropping faster a little bit. I secured a little bit, kind of close without a bottom wick. I don't like that at all. So I secured around 90% right now. Make sure you profit because this is against the trend right now a little bit. I'm leaving the rest around a break even. 10 pips is hit though. 10 pips is hit. I told you my plan on what I exactly was gonna do. Profits are running right now. Let it go. Let it be. Stop loss at break even. And then my target is 75 for my runner, for my 10% runners, which is gonna make me more than what I secured. The reason why I decided to secure is because I just wanted to take the bag. You know, I didn't have that much trust in it, to be honest. To be really honest with you, I was a bit like 50-50, because this is why I see it pulling back right now. A little delicate. I don't know how far we're going to continue. Stop loss at least a break even. You are in profit. It was an okay trade. It's a little fast. Little. It's like hanging around, and I don't like that, right? I just want to go. Like, don't be a pussy. Just go, right? But overall, profit's profit. That's good. Profit is always good. And the reason why I decided to secure directly at around 9 pips is because the 5-minute kind of closed without a bottom wick, and there is such a high probability of coming back towards break even at that moment. So I wasn't really gonna play around with that. Some might call me a pussy. Might be fact, but at least I got money in the back. That's it. That's most important. It wasn't the plan. I was planning on holding it all the way to the bottom, but I was in with a pretty good lot size, so I was like, yeah, sometimes you gotta accept it. But as long as it doesn't go back to entry, we're going to be staying inside the trade. That's a for sure. That's should be good. And then back around 10 pips. A little bit more. That's good. MetaTrader stuck. So there we go. We secured a good bag. The rest is what I said, gonna be running. And that's literally 10%. Running on 16 pips right now, profit. This is a very quick trade. The thing is, you see me coming in a little later right now nowadays, right? Like, I come in a little too late, 1 hour too late, shit, but, you know, but I try to go at those times where the move is gonna happen. Like, you gotta understand and ask yourself, right? Why would I be sitting here for 2.5 hours for a trade that takes 5 minutes? Right? And if you split that 5 minutes in what you're earning right now, in those 5 minutes, you count on what you earn an hour. If you're going to be sitting here 2.5 hours with the profit you just made, you're earning way less an hour. right? But 5 minutes, oh my days, 5 minutes are key. Stream profit is always a good decision, yes. End stream now. Yeah, I just came on. Probably like half 45 minutes, half an hour. Just chit chatting and that. Because we have fun as well, right? We have fun as well. It's not just trading. We have fun, we talk and all of that. But what I see nowadays lately is that when we come here, like 1.5 hours before this time, there's never much going on other than this opportunity that was happening just after I came, just before I came, right? Otherwise we'd be sitting here an entire hour on range and a small breakout, which was fucking nuts, trash, right? Already took some profit, yeah, of course, yeah, of course. Profit is profit at the end of the day, and I don't know what I made percentage wise. Crash. Oh, because I didn't fully close it, yeah, you can't see it. What? This bullshit. I can see what it is. It's like what? I made around 1.4% right now, and the runner is still running, right? 1.4%. Let's see where the runner is gonna go. Let's see. And the runner, if the runner goes towards 75, I will make a good amount more. But the importance right now is that price is not allowed to go back up here. My exact entry is sitting at like 81.90. So right here at the line, pretty much. Right there. What is your lot size? A good question. This is all based on percentages, which what is and all of that. So it's all based on stop loss and an okay size stop loss. It was like what, 15 pips or something? 15 pips, 15, 16 pips. Lot size was a 1 point, let me go back because I don't directly look at it. 1.2 lot on a 15, 16 pip stop loss. What is this? Welcome, welcome, man. Welcome. But this was just price action. The bank robber would hold. Yeah, of course I know. I'm a pussy. Certified gentleman. Yeah, I got my 10%. That's for me right now good enough. You just gotta go a stage. Like, you gotta understand, he's been trading longer than me. This guy is a fucking genius. Like, for real. There you go. You'd start running in a minute. targeting around this zone right here, which is around 62 pips, around that. Maybe a little higher. Maybe we're going to target this zone right here. We're going to redo the analysis for the people that haven't taken a trade yet in a minute. Let's take a look at this chart from Mamba. Yeah, this is what I mean, man. This was a perfect trade. This is even better than the shit I just took, because the shit I just took is just this delicate situation, because there's a lot of things that are also playing against you. But this was a very nice trade. You saw this candle getting weak, you saw this candle being okay. This one broke the low, but also sort of closed bullish, right? This candle made a wick down, started breaking these highs right here, exactly where he entered. I was looking at the same fucking thing, but just too late. I was already moving right here somewhere when I saw it. I was like, yeah, shit, man, this is gonna go fly. And like, it's not gonna give a shit about all these levels. It's gonna go back where he got it, because this was the break of structure, right? Where man's got the line, the break of structure zone. So it makes sense for price to pull back up, because we're initially making breakout, lower low, lower high, and then continuation. And now we're aiming for the continuation. Don't know if it's gonna happen, but if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. That's it, you know. I see the 5 minutes getting a little bit delicate. Yeah, stop, sorry, break even, so it doesn't really matter. But this was that level to buy off from, and this was a good amount of pips as well, like 50 plus pips, like very good, very nice chart, man. I like this idea a lot, because we're looking at the same thing, just a little too late. The money, don't let the money thank you. 50-minute did close bearish, which is a good sign, but this pullback isn't that nice. I think we're gonna get out of break even. What did we actually hit? Like, I saw like 17, I think. Yeah, 17.5 pips. Small. I'm about to get stopped out. 5-minute highs are getting broken. Normally I have the safe entry, but the safe entry is most of the time here at the wick. Where this line that's sitting at 82.5, that's a safe entry right there. They don't really have to worry most of the time, but this is the body entry, and the body entry is yeah, most of the time body entries don't really get respected. So if you get the wick entry, most of the time you're free to go. You don't have to care. You don't even need to put your stop loss at break even. Okay, that was a pullback. I'm just gonna leave this running. I'm not gonna touch it again. Whatever happens, happens, right? I think you can even if you're in from the top, like the entry I didn't get, then I think you can easily start targeting 71.9 without being taken out. But if I was you, still start leaving my stop loss right there, because if you look on this candle, for the people that want me to explain the trade, say yes. Just over 50% retracement. But the reason why I took this trade, and I didn't even wait for 5 minutes, I waited for the 5 minute to flip. The reason why I took this trade is because if we go to the higher time frames for a moment, let's go a little bit lower, go to the 8 hour right here, 8 hour. We're coming back 50% into this candle, right? We closed below all previous zone, closed below, made a lower low, and you can say, yeah, we tapped away from support. That's true. That's true. On the 4-hour time frame, we're also pulling back up. The 4-hour closed nicely below. It's still respecting the zone, but it closed below. So what I'm saying is that we just entered this new zone. So we have a couple ranges sitting right here, right? We have this range sitting right here. We have a range sitting right here, and we have a range sitting here on the top. And we just entered this range, and what's the probability of staying in that range for the moment if we closed so strong inside with the 4-hour candle, right? Did I get taken out? Oh no, just no. Oh, that was close. So, and then if we go to the lower time frames again, all those candles close inside, and as you can see, first of all, the bullish momentum from here is strong, right? Bullish momentum is strong. Making higher highs, higher lows, strong momentum up, higher high, higher low, strong momentum, boom, break of structure. You see? BOS, right here. BOS, right there. Right here, right? So, that break of structure pulled back up towards the 15-minute candle zone where we started selling off from. Like what? When was that? Yesterday? Yes, yesterday. Right? Was it yesterday? Look. I think so. Let me look at the time. Yes, that was yesterday. That was yesterday. That was yesterday. So where we started selling off from, right? From this zone right here. No, I had a pretty good trade right there. Pulling further down. Yeah. Price gave new opportunities right here, right here, right here to enter your sells. We made pretty much from this high, we made a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we pushed into the new range. Right? So what's the probability on the new range that we're gonna pull, like this, pull back up at the most recent support zone and the top side of the actual range itself and the bottom side of the previous range? That's very high, right? It's very, very high. And that gave me the confluence to start selling rather than buying back up, because people are like, oh, but we're still respecting this zone. No, we're making structure right now. We're making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And based on that, you can really see, if I remove everything from the actual mess, you can really see, if I draw the line, that this was a previous strong zone. I pointed it out, right? Tap, 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 tap. Now you can say, hey, but the candle closed above, and you know, the candle closed above and all of that. I'm out of break even, by the way. That's okay. So yeah, the candle closed above and all of this and that, right? That made a hard tap against my stop loss. Lost some profits because of that. But that's still okay. Profit is profit at the end of the day. So, we tapped against this zone. Tap, 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 tap. Break out. Tap up. Right? People are going to be buying up because they see, hey, we're at the trend line right here, and we're going to go all the way up. Maybe. I might be wrong. But what gave me the extra confidence in shorter sells is that this candle closed without a top wick at that zone. And once that happens at that zone, there is a high probability that we're gonna see momentum coming further down. Right? Also, if we go look on the 4-hour, we surpassed the 50% retracement level. 2-hour, I mean. On the 4 hours, it's the same thing. 50% retracement, nearly tapping into 61.8. So this is the reason why we took the trade, and this is the reason also why you should have taken profit. What I said on the 5-minute time frame, once I saw this 5-minute candle closing without a bottom wick, there was a high probability that we're going to make a wick to the downside and continue moving up to engulf this candle. Right, and that's still the same what can happen on this 1 hour candle. Same that can happen. The only problem is that it's really strong, and that's the reason. Like, I was really in this morning. I was like, I'ma hold this 1+ lot till 30 pips, and I ain't touching it before that. Other than things happening that are turning price around, which are making me take profit, right? And that's the reason why I just took profit, because it was showing me reversal signs and things I should be acting upon, buying rather than selling. But overall, it was still a pretty good trade. Still a pretty good trade. I'm happy about it. Profit is profit at the end of the day. Are you re-entering since you still have the same bias? No, it's maybe what you can do is wait for this 15 candle to close bullish and a 30-minute candle to close bearish, and then the break of the 15-minute low at 80.7, and then continuation moving down towards 75. Because that's going to still count as a break and retest, and you're going to see prices respecting the previous zone, right? And your range at that moment, your range it's still respecting. If it keeps on respecting the highs, it's good, right? The only way this 5-minute just pull back, and that's the reason. If you catch the top of the tip right here, oh yeah, that's also a good one. And it's created an order block. Yeah, that's a good one. You can also wait for a pullback in towards this zone before starting to sell again, and that's also going to be like a 70% retracement. That's what we talked about before. 70% sitting right here. This is probably the best entry you can get. But this price just tapped me out, then started to continue moving down. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh, yo, my stop loss got slipped by 4 pips on my runner. No joke. But that's going downtown right now. You know. This is what I mean. This is what I was trying to tell you. If you get the entry on the wick right here, if you enter it, cowboy, you don't give a shit. You're always safe. Like 99% of the time you're safe. And I said it, buddy entry, you ain't safe. You're definitely not safe. You're gonna get fucked by price. It's okay. It's all okay. Yeah, retest pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. Straight facts, Ricardo. Let me unmute you for a moment. I'll unmute everybody. There we go. Yo, Max.
What's up?
Yo, do you take it?
No, I thought I was going to wait for that 30-minute order block, and I had got a limit order at 1784.65.
Yeah.
I got a short earlier on that drop in Asian.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah. I had a sell stop.
Damn.
It worked out. And I had a sell overnight, but I missed the big drop.
Oh damn!
Look at that! Look at
that.
See,
yeah.
I was just about to take that wick, and I thought, oh.
And
then I looked at the way it was moving, and I thought I was probably going to come up a little higher, but no, it did not.
It is what it is, right?
It's all speculation and hesitation, and then getting in too early, and then not getting in, and
yeah, it was
overthinking it.
Yeah, that's a big part of.
Yeah, I overthunk that 5-minute chart just then.
Yeah, I took profit a little too early, but that was based on that 5-minute, right? And overall,
Yeah, I was looking at the 5-minute that retest with the wick.
yeah,
I was close enough to get in, and then just put a stop above it. If it breaks above, then so be it.
yeah, is what it is.
It's still in the range to possibly just break a little higher. We'll see.
Oh my days.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Damn. That's crazy. Brighton, I got no idea, man. Why are you looking at gold mostly? Because it's moving fast. Look at the 30-minute candle close. I should be careful with those retests. I know it's gonna take me in a route, but it's not gonna break the highs. So next time, I would say next time. I would say next time. From now
Next
on,
time it's worth putting a stop a little higher and possibly losing a few pips.
Yeah, yeah. Because I also lost a few pips. I had my stop loss at break even on my runner, but there was a little spike right here. From here to here somewhere. And that took my stop loss runner from my runner to negative 4 pips in a minute. In like a second.
Oh,
what
really?
was that break even? Yeah, it was at break even. It took it to like 4 pips.
Wow.
But the rest, the lowest I secured at was pretty good. I secured like in this wick, pretty much right here at 80.4. That's a good amount. Nah.
Okay.
That's around 15 pips. Yes, nipple. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about too right now. Like if I put my stop loss right here, I wouldn't lost fuck all, right? Then it's just leveraging and taking the risk on making more profit. But you're learning to live, right, Snipple? Let's get this moolah, you know the thing? Every trade we learn something to become a beast in this, yes. Yeah, there you go. I should trust my shit more. Even though it's gonna go back to break even sometime. But if this engulfs, we're gonna definitely retest the lows.
Luke,
Yes.
the same thing happened yesterday.
Yeah, pretty much. But I was, yeah.
And I took it. You and Mitch, I don't know if Mitch took it, but you didn't, and you should have. And today you held it through that second bump.
Wait, no, I didn't hold it. I was out.
No. Through here, you held it like you're in it right now.
No, I'm already out.
Not?
No, I put stops at break even.
Luke, this is the same thing that happened yesterday.
Yeah, but yesterday I wasn't taken out.
Oh my gosh, Luke. No, yesterday you never took the trade. And I said, but Luke,
Yesterday I was already in. Yesterday I was in on the same position. Yesterday I was in on the first tap and not on the retest. Right? Yesterday I was in on the first leg rather than the second leg retesting. So it's the same position.
go
No.
to yesterday.
Yes.
It was this time yesterday. And you and Mitch, you were like,
I was
oh, I
already in
just
from
missed
here.
my entry.
I was in from here.
So you got that whole leg down?
Yeah. I got this
Okay.
whole leg down, and this was a retest, and I was like, I was looking at 91.5, hit 91.4. I was gonna enter on that shit, and then I looked on my phone, being busy with some stupid shit, and then I missed it, right? And this was the second opportunity to get in again, but yeah, I was already in from here.
Okay. Because I was like, I just was telling Cody how this is exactly what happened yesterday.
Yeah,
And I
because you
took
see the
it.
same. You're right, because you see the same thing happening here. It's retesting,
Yep.
and here it's the same retesting. Yeah, it's straight facts. Straight facts. What you're telling me. I need to start holding this shit, man.
Well, I enter. Never mind. I don't want to talk about my entry. I'll let you know when I get out of my trade.
Okay.
I find every time I just talk about my trade, it just goes belly up.
Yeah.
Michelle, you in sales or in buys?
Sasha, I just said I'm not going to talk about my trade.
No, I mean, I tell where it's going. Just want to help you out.
I did just say, Sasha, that I was telling Cody if I'd have woken up like an hour and a half ago, I would have caught those buys from the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, and then Sasha
That's
made
so
it right
same.
back to the place where I took my loss yesterday. I was like, we were right back to. So if I just left my position and never taken that loss, I'm like, oh, we're right back there. Like it's as if the whole night never happened.
Yep. That's exactly how it is. But you know what? If you would have left it, Michelle, one more thing. With the news, the candle was just so bullish, that news candle. It was with a huge lot of momentum, and it made us believe almost that it's just going to rip up now.
Which one? This one? Like this 1 hour candle?
On gold, yes. This was the news
yeah.
candle at 2. Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
What?
it was crazy.
What do you say?
The news candle at 2 o'clock last, just before the close of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's on the other side. Okay, here, this one.
Oh damn!
was
Yeah. Shit.
And if you look at 5 minutes, you'll be like, whoa, what happened there?
Yeah, I just saw it.
Crazy.
Holy shit! That's a push right here from 80 to.
Yes,
That's a 90 plus pip push right there.
exactly.
This
And
one
then
was
it
pushing
came
up
back
fast
with-
too. Go ahead, Sasha.
Oh, now?
No, just this
With the-
1 hour.
Yeah, I am still in sales. I'm still looking for sales. I have good entries, and
Yeah.
I am not planning to come out straight away.
Cheeky. Okay. Yeah, for me it was like this candle was pushing up last moment. I was like, they're coming back towards the top of the zone. People in London, in London, in the markets need a better price. They're sitting at the desk like, I ain't gonna give myself a shit price, right? So I was like, they're just pushing price up to get into sales. And they're gonna anticipate people to get into buys because it's pushing so fast and it's closing above and all that.
Yeah.
That was I was looking. If I'm wrong, I will margin call. Oh shit. Okay. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. We nearly have 250 people in and only 72 like. Rookie numbers, guys. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. You're gonna stream New York? No, tomorrow. Tomorrow. I stream New York Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. No Tuesdays and Thursdays. Lucas Gold Hero. Yeah, becoming one. I'm not one yet. Kerwin is Gold Hero. It was everything. I am TP now.
Did you have a chat with Turban, Luke?
Yeah, on Instagram. Yeah.
About the gold analysis or just the normal one?
No, only about the news when he came on.
Mm.
I
Alrighty,
don't
what did
normally
he say?
chat. Oh no, he didn't say. I had a chat with him like a couple weeks ago, weeks ago, and I was like, hey man, you're always welcome, and didn't really hear much, and then all of a sudden, remember when the news, the NFP, and all of that came.
Yeah.
Then he came on all of a sudden.
He was here.
Yeah. And he came on. It was a lot of fun, and he said everything that was going to happen with gold, and it all played out how he said it was going to play out. Like absolutely amazing.
That's so true.
Like if you missed
so
that,
true.
if you missed that stream, go back to that stream. I don't know which one it is directly, but go to the news events website and you can see which one it was. I'm gonna go back on it too. I'm gonna rewatch it because he said a lot of gems right there about news and market structure.
It was a very nice day, and his analysis was very helpful.
On point. Absolutely on point. Yeah, really, really good guy.
If it is going to get right now on gold, if it is going to go back, so first I see that it is going to come back to this area for the retest again.
Yeah.
And it could even, I've just marked it, I'm just confirming the price. And then 95. So 93 and then 95.
Okay.
Are the key zones that I've marked on my charts for gold to take out the sellers from the top,
yeah.
like myself.
Makes
For
sense.
me.
So you're gonna hold it. You got runners making you literally income to the side, like passive income. You're asleep. Oh, that's another 100 pips.
But gold is very nasty. It doesn't want me to take it so easy. He's like, I'm gonna come back, take you out.
Yeah, but your entry, like your entry from that bottom zone is absolutely mad.
Yeah. That was just maybe at that time we did not know we were coming up.
No, but
You know,
you
we
got
were
balls on holding that.
Yeah.
But you don't set like a TP, right? Like no TP, nothing.
No. I don't. For runners, I don't leave the TP unless 20-30 pips maximum. That's all. But it never went back to that area.
Yeah, that was like 700 pips.
Yeah.
You're crazy. How much more did you make on the runner than on the actual trade itself?
Yeah, when I was looking back, I think I opened one lot only at that time.
And where did you secure
but
first
my
profit?
Runner,
Where did you
I'm
secure the
just
first
into-
profit?
I think 30-40 pips, and that's it.
Oh damn.
So it must be more. Yeah, 70. I closed 0.8.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just closed 70 pips or so. So yeah, I can see here. In fact, it was not even 70 pips. From here, I closed my initial position that I'm looking at. Because on the very next day during Asian, it went back all the way down.
Yeah.
So it was hardly, I think before it retraced, it was 70, 50, 60 pips, 70 pips, that's it.
Damn.
So, but then when it came back all the way up, that's why it was a bit better. And I left another 0.30 from another position. Which is here on my, that was a good one as well. And price hasn't touched it yet, but I'm waiting.
But you also got a lot of confidence in holding such big runners for the actual lot size you're going in with. Because you just jump in with a 30 with a one lot and you leave a 30% runner running. That's pretty big.
I initially did only 20%, but later on I did 30% because it was respecting a 4-hour trend line like that, you know. It was just doing like this. So I was like, I think it's kind of safe until we reach at the top. And at that time we were looking at 1800 or 95, 97. So I was like, well, we got some room there. Let's see.
Crazy. No, soon you're gonna leave your full position as a runner. No TP.
Oh god. I did that when I was having smaller positions. I was trailing it. But you know what? One thing helped me by keeping a runner like that, that my margin always gives me more room to open more trades because the profit that I'm having increases the margin. That's what I noticed. Yeah.
Savage. Yeah, you probably doubled your account last month. Joe was saying.
Yeah, last month I did, and this month I've done nice as well before the end of the month. But don't jinx it.
I know I'm jinxing shit. There's Joe.
I'm scared.
But yeah.
This morning, AJ was saying get the FTMO account. I was like, I'm nervous doing it. Did you try that, Luke?
No, not yet. Might do it for fun.
Funny time.
But yeah, we might do it for fun altogether, just for fun, for the sake of doing it for fun. Yeah, let's see. But I'm fine creating my own capital. But you can always use that as an add-on. Like if you just put your account.
I share one thing with you this morning that what AJ was messing with us, saying that he opened 100 lots this morning.
Yeah.
So I told him, Michelle said, nah, you're just messing with us. You didn't do it. He said, nah, I did 50. So he did 50 lots really. And then he closed on 10 pips this morning. And then we were calculating on mid-stream that how much that would be. So
should I WhatsApp him? You closed now at 10 pips. Go ahead.
And then I shared when I started this, I just sent you on WhatsApp. When I started trading, and after doing what I just sent you, have a look at those pictures. This was my lot size, and this is how I was trading, and I blew the whole account later on, like all of it, all of it. And then I did not trade for 5 months.
Where's the actual lot size? The
lot size is right in the middle, where it says
oh,
contract.
Damn!
Exactly.
Damn, son! Oh my days!
And you know what, Luke? At that time, I did not even know anything about the charts. All I knew was how to buy and sell, and I did not know about zones, resistance, and I just knew only 1 or 2 pair CFD accounts. Before this, I was doing stocks.
But how can you only be making like 1,200 on such a big ass lot size?
Because I used to check the open and close price. I used to get
open close. Oh my.
Yeah, exactly.
My
like that.
days, fam, you're mad. You are mad.
Would you want to know what was my leverage? Full margin I used to go 1:500.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Oh my days. How were you even able to open those lot sizes?
I made from 5K to 17K and then added more money, and then it was a nice account. And then I went all full margin, and then
lost everything. Oh my god.
Yes, everything.
Oh my god, Sasha.
And then I did not trade for 5 months.
But no, if you drop that, it's like 1.7 pips and you're gone.
That's it.
That's it. That's it. Over. Oh my god. Damn. Yeah, personally, it was a pretty good stream though. I have to go do some stuff. Tomorrow we're gonna be having a longer stream, obviously Friday, and we're gonna start normal time in London and then normal time in New York. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to go toward the live trading lounge if you want to keep on chatting with us. Especially don't forget to subscribe, because we're trying to get the subscribers up, and lately this week it's been a little weak. So don't forget to do that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning myself. Bye bye. Thank you. See you later.